Hello everyone. Every AI tool claims that they harness the power to solve your problem with their AI. But how many truly deliver? Today we're going to dive into AdCreative AI to see if their AI is the real deal or just a gimmick. And if ad agencies get a slap from AdCreative AI. AdCreative is an AI-driven platform that uses AI to revolutionize the content creation and advertisement world. Traditionally, ad creation involves brainstorming, concepting, content creation, iteration, etc., and it takes a long time and involves a lot of manual labor. Enter AdCreative's AI. So this is their website, AdCreative AI. And it says implement AI in your ads, don't be left behind. Create ad creatives that outperform your competitors. Increase conversion revenue with AI generated ad creatives. Okay, so this is their promise. So let's see if that's true. So here they say, for example, up to 14 times higher conversion rates and over 95% of their users improve click-through rate. Well, let's see if they make their promise reality. In this video, we try to find out if this AI of AdCreative really helps you to save money, resources, and time for creating your ads. So in a couple of seconds, we dive into the dashboard of Creative AI, but I first like to do a little sidestep and tell you about how their AI works. So here you have an infographic. You see here they have a lot of creative content collected from social and display platforms. Then they put some analyze on it. They use 80 data points per image. Then they put it in machine learning and tries to understand the performance of every creative and trains it on. And then, and this is the part where we are at, it creates something creative which has a high ROI and helps them to increase conversion rates. And they say they have analyzed more than 450 million creatives till this day. So that's kind of impressive, but this also gives you an insight of how AI at AdCreative works. Let's go to the ad packages. And then I choose no project has been created. Okay, create a project. And then I say palmtreelife.com. So in ad packages, they've created a package where they incorporate creatives, text, and targeted audiences. So this is all AI directed. So here I will say get leads, the product tone, it's persuasive, no, let's say inspirational. Then select output, and here you have a lot of different languages. My language Dutch is also in here, but now we're going to use English. Then the product name is Learn in Balance. That's the product. Your target audience are parents, and your call to action is work and life in balance. Okay, the product helps people so this is a made-up company, but I just like to show you what happens when you use AI in this program. Okay, so the project is here, step 1 of 5. Then you get the AI parts. AI suggests strategies based on these three products. Well, strategies, okay. Direct, free consultation. So these are kind of suggestions they think with their data that works best for you. So direct conversion focus, free consultation, free trial period, limit time off. Okay, so I select this one. If I don't like it, I can create more strategies. Next step. So here it selects the channels that you can use. So for example, this can work on Facebook and Instagram, but it can also work on LinkedIn because it's more in balance of work and life. So for this, let's stay with Facebook and Instagram. Then of course the post, I will choose story because a lot of people are on stories. Then you can upload something from your website, or you can choose from the stock images. And there you have more. Select the picture. Yes. Then I can change it. Go next step. Okay, so now AI have created this layout. It added my AI created logo, and now AI helps with creating the text. So I just push on this button and say English, and AI is doing the rest. Ready to find balance and life and peace. Find your life's harmony. Find balance. Project name, Palm Tree Life. And here you can find an icon. I selected an arrow. Here you can see it. And then I put the project and I say generate. Our AI is analyzing your product and description and strategy. So this is all created by their machine learning and their AI on top of it. Okay, now the AI is done, and here we can see the creatives. So here you have a conversion score. This means that AdCreative thinks, or their ML and AI thinks that this one scores the best. Ready to find balance and live in peace. Find your life's harmony. And then find balance. You see the logo that I've created. And here are some other examples. And it just created it like out of thin air. They all have high scores. Let's see if there are some less scores. Okay, this is, for example, a lower score. And I think it has to do with this because this is a weird crop of the image. But you can see that this is AI. It only needs some input, and then it creates a lot of variables of the one thing that you have entered. So let's go to the top. I think I like this one. So I say, yes, that's nice. Then I can download it and it will cost me a credit. And maybe I can use this one, and maybe this one is also nice. So when I push this, there goes a credit away. That's not what we're here for. We're here for to investigate if this adcreative.ai really makes use of AI. That's saving you time, resources, and money, of course. So I'm impressed by the AI that's been used in the ad packages. So let's go to the text projects and there create a project, and then here we do the same, power and all, sharp. So here you get all kinds of techniques from the gate framework, lift method, the pause formula. So let's try the before after bridge style text. That's one that a lot is used with coaching. Let's be inspirational, select output, it's English. The product is imbalance, is the product, coaching program. Target audience is the parents, of course, the call to action, try for free. Product name, generate text. Okay, so this looks the same as the ad packages with the text, but I just want to know what we can expect more from this tool and how they use AI. And I think there is something different after this page. Okay, look here. AI generated texts, and here they use the before and after bridge. Struggling to find balance between work and parenting. Introducing Imbalance, the coaching program designed specifically for parents like you. With Imbalance, you'll learn effective strategies to keep and maintain the balance between your life and work as a parent. Try for free and start living a more balanced and fulfilling life today. Who does not want to have this? Okay, so based on their data, it's get an 80. This gets an 85, so this should be better. Here a 90, and here an 80 again. So let's let me read the 9th one. Feeling overwhelmed by the constant pressure of being a working parent, experience the life-changing benefits of Imbalance, the ultimate coaching program for parents. With Imbalance, you gain the confidence and skills to successfully manage your professional and family life. Okay, so for me, I think this one feels better, but this one, it looks nicer. So I'm already in the creative mode, but I think it's nice that you get these scores and that they use a lot of data to get to these texts. This, of course, will save a lot of time, resources, and money. And they also use AI when you connect your channels. So, for example, Meta or LinkedIn to adcreative.ai. And then it connects, and then you put out a new campaign, and then it can collect the data of it and then gives you an advice what to do next. So that happens over here. So when you did your first campaign, AdCreative will look at the results. And here's an example of Ike Dinacci, who've used AdCreative and Google Ads to see what it did. And this is the campaign without AdCreative, so without their AI and without their creatives. And then it did one with AdCreative, and you can see it really helped. So this was before, and this is after. Look at this video. I put a link in the subscription of this video so you can watch his channel. And let's go back to the app. Of course, there's no perfect tool. So here are my cons concerning AdCreative and how they use AI. The use of stock photos. So competition can also use the same stock photos. You can also try to use AI generated photos. They're also free to use like a stock photo, but they are more original than, of course, a stock photo. The designs that AdCreative makes can be a bit recognizable. So what I mean with that is that if you see ads, you can see it's made with AdCreative. Of course, it will change over time, but for now, I think you can clearly see, this ad campaign has been made with adcreative.ai. And sometimes you have the feeling that you like to customize some parts, but it's not possible. I understand it. They have kind of the Apple ecosystem. You have your iPhone, you can't change anything about it. You need to update it. Whereas with Android, you can change some stuff. But, you know, the Apple phone will outlast the Android phone because it's all like closed system. So after the deep dive in adcreative.ai, we can conclude that this AI is not a buzzword. It will really save you a lot of money, a lot of resources, and a lot of time. Why? Because if you would create this ad by yourself, it will of course take you more time, but you need maybe Canva to create it. You need another tool to create the photo. Then you need a text tool, and you need to find out which data works best for you. And in this tool, you have it all in one. It's not perfect, but it really definitely will save you a lot of time. So this AI tool is really worth to try if you are in agency or you like to create ads for your company in a smart way. And now I love to hear from you. Did you experience or tested AI tools that did not live up to the promise that they made? Or did you use AdCreative.ai yourself, and what's your opinion about it? Share your thoughts in a comment below. If you'd like to stay updated about AI, you can subscribe to AI Adventures Insights, where I share every week 3 insights of AI and how you can use it in your business. You'll find the link in the description of this video. If you really got enthusiastic about using AI for your marketing, I've created another video where I explain how you can turn from one blog using AI into unlimited content. If you want to watch it, you can see it over here.